This is my little cousin's current gaming setup. It's messy, unorganized, and the tech that he has really isn't helping him game better. And I have so much extra tech laying around my room that I just don't use. So in this video, we're going to be completely transforming my cousin's setup, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, so let's go. So I've actually been planning on doing this for a while. I just didn't have all the resources to do it, but now that I do, I'm going to help my little cousin out and just give him an area where he can enjoy gaming even more. So let's go ahead and drive there right now. So this right here is my cousin's gaming setup. As you can see, I fixed it up a little bit with what we had, but there are some things we can change. We can get him a new mouse pad, do some cable management, and make this setup itself look a little bit better. So let's go ahead and start that right now. So as you can see, we've cleared off the entire desk. The desk is pretty dirty, so we are gonna wipe it off soon. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add wall panels all up this wall and maybe a little bit on this side. I'm still figuring it out, but for now, let's just do it. So now that we've got the panels up, we're gonna move on to getting his actual gaming setup put together. All right, so after a couple of hours of working, we finally got his setup done. It took a little while and we've, got it from one point to another. So I'll show you the setup right now.
Louis.
Okay, Zach, so now that your setup's finished, what do you rate it 1 out of 10?
Bro, thank you for doing this, bro. I think I would say like 9.5, 10, bro. Thank you, bro. You're the best cousin ever.